The NSA and the Minister of Information can join the picture. The Minister of Information and the NSA can join the photo. And deep appreciation that we, the residents and leadership of the Federal Capital Territory Administration, have the privilege to visit Your Excellency today on the auspicious occasion of Eid-el-Fitr. We congratulate you and the Muslim Ummah on the completion of 30 days of fasting, prayers, sacrifice, and supplications to Almighty Allah. This visit marks a historic moment as it is the first time the FCT residents have had the opportunity to extend our greetings and best wishes to you in person during this blessed period. We are truly delighted to be here. Your Excellency, permit me to say that today is not just a day of festivity, but a moment of profound reflection on the essence of Ramadan and the significance of Eid-el-Fitr. The holy month of Ramadan teaches us the virtues of patience, sacrifice, self-discipline, and devotion to Almighty Allah. It reminds us of the importance of compassion, generosity, and unity, values that define us as Nigerians. In the spirit of the holy month of Ramadan and the joyous celebration, we pray for your good health, that of the First Lady, the Vice President and the family, and your entire family. May Almighty Allah bless you with wisdom, strength, and divine guidance as you steadily lead the affairs of our dear country towards greatness. Your Excellency, sir, as the leader of our great nation, your unwavering dedication to fostering unity, good governance, and national development inspires us all. The residents of the FCT are deeply grateful for your leadership and initiatives being undertaken to enhance the well-being of all of us. We reaffirm our unwavering loyalty and support for the Renewed Hope agenda and pledge our continued cooperation in ensuring the success of the exemplary programs and policies. Mr. President, the delegation before you today is a reflection of the rich diversity of the Federal Capital Territory. It comprises representatives from all spectra of the nation's capital, including religious, political, traditional rulers, heads of security agencies, officials of the FCT administration, members of the media, and ordinary residents. Despite our different backgrounds, we are united in our unwavering support for administration and the Renewed Hope agenda. This unity demonstrates the collective commitment of the people of the FCT to national progress and development under your missionary leadership. Mr. President, we in the FCT administration remain profoundly grateful for the unparalleled support you have extended to us. None of the significant strides we have recorded in governance and development would have been possible without your commitment to the well-being of the FCT and its residents. Your approval of the exit of the FCT from the Treasury Single Account, the creation of the FCT Civil Service Commission, the establishment of 2 new critical mandate secretaries for women and youth, and the appointment of permanent secretaries have strengthened our governance structure and improved service delivery, translating into better lives for the ordinary citizens on the streets. These bold initiatives have enhanced the efficiency of the FCT administration and positioned us to achieve greater milestones. We still have not forgotten the unprecedented support you granted us last year during your 12th anniversary by being physically present in 5 out of the 9 projects commissioned to commemorate the occasion. As we approach the 2nd anniversary of the administration, we're excited about the array of impactful projects that we have lined up for commission. These projects designed to improve infrastructure, economic opportunities, and overall quality of life stand as evidence to the administration's commitment to national development. We look forward to hosting Your Excellency in the city to witness firsthand the tangible progress that has been made under your leadership over the last week. Your Excellency, on this year's occasion, I once again, on behalf of the city, extend our heartfelt wishes for a memorable and fulfilling Eid-el-Fitr celebration. We pray that this season brings peace, prosperity, and continued progress to our nation. Thank you for your kind attention, and may God bless you all. Thank you.
That your boss has confidence. If your boss in the public says that you are doing well, that of course is an encouragement for you to continue doing the job that you've been assigned. And for us, we're happy to be identified in this administration, and we'll continue to do what Abuja people will be happy. So I'm happy each time Mr. President talks about us and tries to say the little we have done. That means that he's watching and we will not disappoint him.
So, last time we saw about 9 projects, you just mentioned Mr. President visited at least 5. How many of them have you lined up for the next round of
Well, the committee is working, but you can be assured it can be less than what we did last time.
Excellent, thanks.
Thank you.